How to buy ActBlue token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on to buy this token, go and check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 2000% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 4 in the B section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. Go to your wallet and select the base as a network from here. Now click on this plus icon and place token as in search bar. As you can see this also. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called ActBlue. So after that, click on it. Now click on swap and switch from here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And now you can type how much you want to buy with, you can see here. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy ActBlue token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.